Hello, my dear students. Very good morning. Very happy day to all of you. I hope that all of you are learning and watching videos. I came to know that some students are not serious about English. It is why I took the decision to give the advanced revision class. I wanted to give one revision class. My dear students, what you feel about English must become totally different. Today, I will give you some techniques, some ideas, what is real English in second PUC. First of all, before I could teach or I open this session, I want all of you to note down my telephone number. Say 8105113151 6361346903. Please note it down. Today I am going to explain you why is this revision class required. Why? You may feel that if you read textbook, if you read the notes, if you watch my videos, this is not enough indeed. Today, I am going to take you to the advanced level. I promise you, those who are watching this video surely will score better, best marks in the annual exam. This is my promise. Within 1 hour, your way of learning will change. I am very happy to know that all of you are learning English very well, waiting eagerly for English videos, learning well. I must thank my principal sir, my students and parents also. I came to know so many things that parents also are supporting my students, our students. I am thankful to principal sir, management, students and parents also, and I am happy to know that your parents also are playing major role to bring you up in my subject, in our subject English. Thanks to all. Next, first of all, today you note down. For here itself, I will tell you. This is revision class number 1. First, if many students don't know how to search this one, first of all, go to open YouTube. Narayan PU College second year English classes. Go to playlist. All my videos are stored in 2 divisions. One is textbook division, another is grammar division. I will keep this video revision class in third folder, third playlist. Now one word, your revision class means revision class video section. Playlist is very important. Textbook or chapters means textbook side. Grammar means grammar side. I know very well that all of you are learning very well today. It is why I felt so happy and I realized that you need some more advanced techniques and learning way. It is why I have decided to give this learning class 1. Again, 2 more learning class will take place. For your kind information, on 10th October 2020, please note it down. 10th October 2020, second test will be given. 100 marks, question paper is ready. Tough. Not a joke at all. What is the real question paper in second PUC? You are going to face in the second test itself. First test is over in the previous session. We have taken the test. Okay, I will inform you where to bring. On 10th October 2020, both language test will be conducted. Kannada plus English. Kannada sir will inform you the syllabus. I am going to give the information about syllabus. Now it's of that 3 chapters. One is Romeo and Juliet. 2 is Two Dear. Third one is On Children. 3 chapters. Yes, it is. Become perfect. Whenever you must be ready to write the exam whenever it is given. It is why Romeo and Juliet, Two Dear, On Children. 3 chapters from the textbook. That's all. Grammar, whatever I have taught until now. 24, read the passage. 24, read the passage. 25, poem lines. 26, verbs. Okay, here see. 24, passage. 25, poem lines, 4 lines. 26, verbs. 28, complete the dialogues. 31, note making. 32, speech writing. 33, letter writing. 34, pronoun. 35, jumbled segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 categories. So 9 type of this grammar questions will take place. It is why my dear students, watch this video carefully. I am not going to explain the chapters. Today I will give you one of the secrets. It is called advanced revision class. There are 7 ways to understand one chapter. It is the 3rd stage, again 4th stage, 5th stage. I will give all kind of techniques and teachings. All of you must score the best marks in our subject. It is my challenge. Yes. Whenever you get the slightest doubt, contact me. Primarily use this one to call. This is for WhatsApp. Both have WhatsApp accounts. Primarily use this one to call. If otherwise, you can use this one. Now, why is this revision class required? There are lessons, poems, totally 14 chapters in our second PUC English syllabus. 1 mark questions are there, 4 and 6 mark questions are there, grammar contents from the textbook itself will appear. So, 1 mark, 4 and 6, so 3 types, and 4 type questions can appear from the textbook for 50 marks. Now, there are grammar topics 12 to 13. 13 type of grammar contents are there already. Nearly 8 to 9 topics are over. 8 to 9 topics are over. So 80% of grammar is over. 50%, 40% of the test syllabus is over. It is now it is the best time to become perfect. Today, I am going to explain what are real questions, how questions are powerful, how answers will become easier when you completely understand this video. This class is very, very important. I will switch over to second board. Second board, I have written already some 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions. First I will explain why is question so powerful in second PUC English. Questions are very powerful. Answers can be learned any time. But these confusing, twisted questions are very, very peculiar. We never can imagine what kind of questions will appear. Now I will switch over to second board. My dear students, take the classes seriously. Seriously means not angry looking. Cool, calm. Have your smiling face. Cool, relaxed, sit down, alone, no disturbance. Watch this video. This video can change your style and attitude of learning English forever. Now I will switch over to second board.
Sir?
Only now come back. Second word, I have written 2 chapters, 1 mark questions. Some Romeo and Juliet 1 mark questions. 2 dear 1 mark and 4 mark questions. Today I am going to prove how questions are very powerful in second PUC English. It is the advanced revision. Why it is called means today you read these sentences, please. Now, Romeo and Juliet. Okay. Who teaches the torches to burn bright? Who? Juliet. What is the special thing in it? You may feel, wait, have patience. Now see. What will make the face of heaven so fine? One more question. Who teaches the torches to burn bright? Second question. According to Romeo, how is the beauty of Juliet? Yes. Those students who have my two books prepared by me, last year itself it was provided to the previous batch. Those students who have those books prepared by me can answer these questions. Those students who don't have book 2, they can't answer this question. Highly impossible to predict one mark questions. Today I am going to show you how questions will be twisted. Yes. What does the phrase new snow suggest in Romeo and Juliet? See, can you answer this one easily? Can you answer this one easily? You can answer this one easily because of understanding poem, watching videos, reading the textbook, anything, no problem. But here see, what will make the face of heaven so fine? Please understand which word is very powerful in this sentence means this word. Who will make the face of heaven so fine? Oh, Romeo will make the face of heaven so fine. Oh, I am very brilliant. Okay. Now, what will make the face of heaven so fine? Question number 1. When will the face of heaven become so fine? When and how and what means our talent, our pride will come from. Those who are watching, please must follow the teaching very carefully. Please follow, don't skip, don't run this video so fast. Please see. Then how to understand? One more questions. I am not giving any answer today. I am going to make you ready for any kind of question, any kind of situation. You must deal with all kind of situations. Come on, 2D. Okay. Now, one more. How long did the criminal stay in jail? You may answer. No problem. 1 year. No problem. What does the keeper of the gaming house pay to the prince? What does? This word is important. You don't have right to challenge the question. I including myself. I don't have right to challenge the question because this question is perfect. You may say, how much? That is LKG. It is called 12th standard. How much did the keeper pay the king or prince? That is LKG. It is called what? 12th standard. It is why what does the keeper of the gaming house pay to the prince? It is called second PUC English. Next, what does the king of Monaco monopolize? We don't ask what is the name of this one. That is those or days or over no one. But toughest questions will appear. You must be brave enough, you must be courageous, you must be talented indeed to answer such a typical questions indeed. What kind of reply did the king of Monaco receive from Italy? Now tell me one more question. You read the textbook today. This question is not there in book 1, book 2 prepared by me previous year. It is by what books prepared by me. What books are prepared by me? Book 1, book 2. You must have those 2 books. Very soon I am going to send you 3 chapters notes to your SIM. Another kind information to you, my dear students. Today itself you must send your proper phone number to our college, Narayan College. Please call our college. Send your proper phone number because we are missing so many students correct phone number. My dear students, it is my request to you, send your correct information about your phone number which contains WhatsApp. Please inform our college. If you have WhatsApp means I could have sent the notes very soon, PDF format. Please, very soon I am going to send you to your SIM. It is within 3 days. It is why after watching this video, you must provide your correct phone number to our college. Now, then I can help you. I have prepared two books now. If you read these two books only, you will be in the best position to score best marks indeed. Now, what kind of reply did the king of Monaco receive from Italy? Next. Here, 1 mark questions are over. These all are simple questions. Wait, there are so many toughest questions. Now, 4 mark questions. Describe the Thai kingdom. It is given in the first test itself. Okay, what is there? There is something now. You cannot earn stone palaces by honest labor. Yes, client. Okay, now tell me. What answer? Which answer are you going to write? Do you ever imagine that there is such a 4 mark question in this 2D lesson? Where is this question? Have you found this line in your notes? Have you written this sentence in your answer? The notes prepared by me, that one holds this one. Then where can you find this question? Why, according to the speaker, were gambling establishments flourishing in Monaco? 4 mark question. All right now. Yes. Now tell me, who are powerful? Questions are powerful or answers are powerful? You can learn answer anytime in your house, anytime, no problem. But to understand this concept is very, the need of our is to understand the way of questions, twisted questions. It is why, my dear students, I request you, I force you to follow this ways, rules and regulations today. I am going to give you some rules and regulations. Then only you can answer such questions very easily without any worry. Surely. Now, the criminal lead a comfortable life after his release. Yes, client. Right up. Yes. What kind of answer do you have? What is the way? Where is this question? This sentence itself is not there in this one. This sentence is not there in the textbook. This question is not there. This question is not there. This sentence is there. This question is not there. Then how can we understand that? What type of 4 mark question will appear? What type of answer is required? It is why it is your duty to follow the teaching, and I am going to give you some instructions and rules and regulations how to tackle any kind of questions in this second PUC English. Next. What benefits did the criminal enjoy in 2D? Yes. You cannot respect 1 mark questions and 4 mark questions in the second PUC. It is why I took up this job to give you one advanced revision today. Once more, you are going to take the text on 10th October 2020, Saturday, Kannada and English. 2 language test. Syllabus is, please carefully understand, first 3 chapters. 1 is Romeo and Juliet, second is 2 Dear, third is On Children, grammar topics 8 to 9, whatever I have completed, no more syllabus. 3 chapters plus. 1 test is over, same syllabus. Second test, somewhat advanced level. Let us see how you are going to face that test. Now 100 mark question paper. Okay. For Kannada, sir will give the information about the syllabus later. My giving syllabus information is over. Now have you understood? Now tell me, who is so much torturing us? Questions are torturing us. Nothing is easy in second PUC, but everything is easy when you can learn so easily. Now for example, see, what is this? Circle with a dot. Now tell me, look at this means, this is okay na or this is okay na? This is powerful. This is what? Controller. It is called what? Question. It is called what? Answer. This can be found very easily, but to observe, to understand this one is very difficult. It is why, my dear students, see, without this one, this is nothing. Similarly, this is called question, this is called answer. Answers are not powerful here. Question is the boss. It is why I will give you some instructions today. Follow that one strictly. Enjoy English. Learn with fun. No worry at all. Yes, play this video often and often. Learn this one. You must become best learned students within 1 hour. Okay, I will continue how to give this one. Okay, I will proceed with the rules and the regulations. Yes, you must be alert, very careful for just 20 minutes. My dear students, I have a lot of hope on you, concern and confidence on you. Please watch the video, play the video often, learn the tricks, methods and secrets in improving or coming to advanced level. Now, I won't give any answer. I won't teach any lesson. But you will learn all the things in one stroke. Now see, I am not talking about only Romeo and Juliet. I am not talking about only 2 These rules must be applied to all poems and all lessons equally. This is one weapon, it must be used on all chapters. This is the weapon what you are going to receive from me now. Carefully observe. First of all, whenever there is a poem, follow the method. Whenever you are going to learn a lesson, you must follow this method. This is the only one method which can help you. There is no single second method in second PUC English. I am very confidently and very strongly today I say that this is the best method, this is the only one method, there is no second method in Karnataka itself. This is the challenge. Please follow the teaching. Are ready to lose the marks today onwards. This is the law of English. Today I am going to give some secrets and methods and trainings and these rules and regulations. Follow this one strictly. Now, see, any poem, first, it is not applicable to only one poem. Rules belong to all poems. How many poems? 6 poems. How many lessons? 8 lessons. Now, any poem, write the poem in your notebook. Write one line poem, one line, leave one line, write line, leave one line. For example, there are 14 lines in the poem. 14 lines in the poem means you must use 28 to 29 lines in your notebook. You must use 200 pages long ruled notebook. Then write one line poem, leave one line, write poem, leave one line. Why? Any tough words are there, you can write the meaning below the word. One line, write, okay, write. Leave one line, write. This one also. You must write these all rules and regulations in your notebook. When you come to college, I will verify your all notes. Don't think that I am forgetting after teaching. I am not like you. I will check your notes, whether you have written all the contents written on the board. I have completed nearly 16 to 18 videos. I will watch whether I will observe, I will check your notes, whether you have written poem or not, whether you have written rules and regulations or not. All rules and regulations must be written by you in your notebook. Today it is your duty to write these all rules and regulations without fail. Then only you can improve your English. Next, write the poem and read the poem. First you write, I will recite in the class, I will read now, follow my reading or reciting. Next, learn the summary. Summary will be explained by me. Yes, write the poem, read the poem, learn the summary. Later what? I will explain the poem, follow the videos, follow my explanation in the classroom. Yes, everything will be provided by me just to catch catch it by you is sufficient. Learn the, understand the explanation of the poem by me. I will explain. It is not for me, it is for you. Understand the explanation of the poem, explained by me. Yes, receive it. That's all. Stage number 3 is one. Stage number 4. Learn the answer from the notes prepared by me. Already 2 notes are there with me. Some students may have the previous notes. No problem. Follow that one. Same 1 mark, 4 mark questions. 2 books are there. Book number 1, book number 2. Book number 2 is called what? Advanced Learning. So many twisted 1 mark questions, 4 mark questions, short answers are given in that book 2. Now, learn the answer from the notes prepared by me. Which answer? 1 mark question and answers. 4 mark question and answers. Under the poem, there is no difference between 4 mark and 6 mark question. Under the lesson, no big difference between 4 mark and 6 mark. There is no category, there is no criteria, there is no rule that this question must be given under 4 mark. This question is only for 6 mark. There is no rule at all. English is like amoeba. It can take any shape, any time. Yes, it is why learn this concept today. Yes. Read book 1 and 2. These 2 are prepared by me. You must read 1 mark question, 4 mark question answer, everything. Read English 3 to 4 days in a week. In 1 week, you must read English 3 to 4 days. If you read only 1 day in a week, you can score below 50. If you read 2 days, 70. 3 days, 80. 4 days, 90. 5 days, 90 above. It is in your hand. Reading English only on Sundays for 2 hours won't work. Are you taking breakfast, 7 days breakfast in 1 day? Are you fasting for 6 days and can you take 6 days food on a 7th day? How is it possible? Doesn't that law applicable to this one also? It is why it is your duty to learn, to read and speak English, read English, learn English. Read English 3 to 4 days in a week. Next, speak English. It is very important. Whether you are speaking perfect English, Hitler English or Butler English, it is unnecessary. When you come to college, best English. When you are at home, speak English. Whether you are using wrong words, whether you are not using grammatical language, it is unnecessary. Now itself, time is nearly 12:50 p.m. Today is the first day of October 2020. Today itself means it may appear on 7th October. This video may appear on 7th October 2020. After watching this one, my dear students must start speaking English. If you don't speak English, you never can score better in English. It is why today onwards, all of you must start speaking English very well. Then your marks will become so fine, like face of heaven, so fine in Romeo and Juliet. Yes. So, see, any poem, write and read the poem, learn the summary explained by me, understand explanation, I will provide the explanation, learn the answer which are in the notes, book read book 1 and 2, read English every 3 to 4 days in a week. The English should be read by you, speak English. These are the rules. Have I given any answer? Have I explained any poem? Nothing. It is the way, it is the only one way which can take you to the advanced level. Now onwards, follow these rules, my dear students. Now, I will switch over to 2D lesson. Now, any lesson, I am not talking about 2D lesson. Any lesson, you must learn this in this order. First, not reading the textbook. Here, write and read the poem first. Here, learn the summary first. What is the summary of 2D? First. Later, read the lesson. I will read the lesson, you follow my reading. Here, reciting. Here, reading. Understand the lesson means I will explain the lesson. Understand the lesson. Read book 1 and 2. What? 1 mark questions, 4 mark questions. Then only you can understand. you follow this method to all 14 chapters. Yes. Prepare or set 1 mark questions of your own. You must prepare, you must try. I will give that training too. How to write own 1 mark questions. How to make answer as a question as an answer. That training also will be given by me. For whose sake? For your sake. Next. Learn grammar questions from the chapter. 2 dear means what are the grammar points? There are 4 type of grammar questions which can be selected. What? Listen, grammar. First, be form words means active as passive as, reported speech, linkers, expressions. 4 type of grammar questions can be selected or chosen from the lesson. Any lesson, not only 2 dear, not only this 4th lesson. Everything I need to learn. These rules are applicable to all lessons. These rules are applicable to all poems. This is called advanced learning process. Next. Divide the lesson into 4 parts. I will teach you, I will give the hints how to divide this lesson into 4 parts. For example, it is called what? 4 base questions. 4 mark or 6 mark questions. I have informed you already that there is no big difference between 4 mark and 6 mark questions and answers. Both are same. 4 mark question will become 6 mark. No additional answer is required. Whatever you are writing for the sake of 4 mark question, the same answer should be written to 6 mark question. Next, 4 base questions should be written. For example, 2 dear. Describe the Thai kingdom. First base question. Next, why did the king keep on changing his decision? Question number 2. 3. Why did the prisoner or criminal refuse to go out of the prison? Question number 3. 4. Why was the criminal given pension? How did it benefit him? Then it is called question number 4. These 4 are called what? Base questions. You can understand whole summary through or with the help of these 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4 were base questions. This is applicable to all lessons. There is no special lesson. This is the law of English in second PUC. Next. Divide the lesson, then this is the best method. This is the powerful point. Point number 9. Point number 9 is very, very powerful. Now I will tell you. Additional question to each question means what? Base question is 1. We must know 4 additional questions to this same question. So, answer is 1, questions are 5. Now tell me, who is powerful? For example, yes, early morning, base question. Okay, describe the park scene. Base question. Here, describe the Thai kingdom. Okay? Justify the action of comedy. First question. But there are 12 additional questions to the same base question. Answer is 1, questions are 13. Can you imagine? Yes, tell me. If you read in a hurry, if you learn answers, if you memorize whole textbook, all 3 minutes, I have given previous questions. Now tell me which answer you are going to write. Okay, stone palaces, hard this, honesty, labor, some question is there now. Which answer can you write now? Tell me, my dear students. Without understanding this concept, how can you get ready to face any kind of test or this exam? Yes, it is not a joke at all. Now, additional question means how many additional questions can be given to this base question? Answer is same. Additional questions, extra questions, twisted questions. How? 1 mark question can become a 1 mark question can become a 4 mark question. 4 mark question can become a 1 mark question. How? This is called secret. Answer can become a question, question can become an answer. This is extra information. So these three things are 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. From here onwards, very important. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 points can change your way of learning English in second PUC, particularly lesson. Yes, tell me. Which method have you chosen? Which method is given by me? Is there any tally or matching between your way of learning, between my way of teaching? Where is the comparison? Yes. Be obedient. Yes. Then only you can learn English. If you feel that I have learned all the things, then you have learned nothing. Today onwards, take any lesson, divide into 4 parts. Whole lesson, whole summary should be divided into 4 parts, not equal, 4 parts. 4 base questions should be learned by you. I am here to provide you everything. I am here to make you better. You write 4 base, I will give you 4 base questions. Additional questions also will be given by me. How? Stone Palace is there now. That is the question equal to this question number 1. Why were the gambling houses establishing flourishing means? Same answer. Why did the authorities fail to execute the criminal? Answer number 2. Yes, it is called twisted questions. It is called advanced teaching, advanced revision. It is just a tip. In my next one, how to understand 1 mark questions, how to make answer as a question, I will explain. Now, next 1 mark question. Answer can become a question, question can become an answer. I have taken these 2, I am explaining from here. For example, see. What business does the king of Monaco monopolize? There is no meaning to any word in 1 mark question or 2 4 mark answer or 1 mark question. We must read the textbook. It is why. Read the textbook, read the textbook. This is the weapon which can be used to tackle or face any kind of question. Now, what business does the king of Monaco monopolize means what? Answer is gambling business. Gambling business or gambling house is wrong. Gambling business. Gambling business or gambling house. It is the correct answer. Okay. Alright. It is called what? Gambling business. It is called what? 1 mark question, 1 mark answer. What is answer? Gambling business. Now see, how does the king monopolize the gambling house or business? See, second question. How does the king monopolize the gambling house or business? Now tell me. It is a 4 mark question. What answer are you going to write? Tell me. Are you going to write only this one? Business is the gambling house overall. That is it enough? Tell me now. Yes. Now tell me. How much responsibility you have on your shoulder to come up in English? How much hard work you have to do? This is the simplest thing. 4th chapter onwards, so many unknown questions and 4 mark questions will appear. How to tackle? Now itself you must be ready to face or tackle any kind of twisted question. Now, how does the king monopolize the gambling house or business? This is called what? Twisted question. You must link this 4 mark question to the base question. Which is the base question? Base question is question number 1. Describe the Thai kingdom is the question. That question is equal to this question. Or this question is equal to this one. Now for example, 1 is how much? I will do the question. Without the symbol plus or minus or multiplication or divided by, how can you get to the answer? Similarly, if you don't know twisted or additional questions to the base questions, what English are you going to learn? Tell me. If you don't know so many twisted questions, which answer can you select or choose to answer this particular base question? It is why answers are not so powerful. Questions are very powerful. It is why, my dear students, your way of learning English must become totally different. You play this video so many times. This is the best video in your life. Best session. Opening session. It is only simple. It is only sparse. You will see fire in future. How English is so powerful. In second PUC, I will show it with the examples. Now, how does the king monopolize the gambling house or business name? Describe the Thai kingdom is the question. That question is equivalent to this question. When you can remember describe the Thai kingdom, automatically you can write answers. It is why, my dear students, learn the questions first. This kind of twisted questions are there in book 2. Additional 1 mark twisted questions are there in book 2. In book 1, general 1, book 2, very powerful, and I will explain so many contents. I hope that, my dear students, okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this session. I am very confident and so happy, delighted that you could know so many secrets in this session, and you must adopt this system, method and session. Do well. Okay, now in my next step, please don't forget 10th October test Kannada and English for 100 marks, same syllabus, and the test paper is so difficult, different indeed. Be careful indeed. Please watch the video and get ready to take the test indeed. And I hope we can see each other very soon. You may start coming to college very soon. It is why, do well, learn well. Any doubt, contact me. Message me, call me. I am here to provide you all kind of better information. Okay, contact me, get ready. Good luck. All the best. Enjoy the teaching.